this is Shraddha Jain from Mysuru, Karnataka. I want to start by saying two lines which I got the meaning after attending an academy's classes from you, from Nishant sir, from all the faculties of foundation and intermediate. That is Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. I start my day by saying these two lines and remembering all my teachers, and I seriously thank you from the bottom of my heart for making costing and accounts such an interesting subject and teaching in such an innovative way. The classes were filled with many essence, I can say. The classes were filled with many jokes, even studies. Not only studies, even apart from studies, we learned 3 success mantras from you: patience, trust, and self-reliance. Thank you so much, sir, for being such an amazing teacher.
Hi, this is Akshita Goyal from Kota, Rajasthan. I have studied accounting and cost and management accounting from the great CACS Anshul Agarwal sir from Ekagrata and Manzil batch of Unacademy. He may be a teacher for everyone else, but he is just everything for us. The amazing thing I like about him is his planning. The plans and strategies he gave us to plan our studies are just next level. The mentorship sessions he took along with the lectures kept us motivated throughout the journey. The way he teaches, we are never left with any doubt as well. The memories which we created with this batch are just unforgettable, sir. Thank you so much for everything you did for us. Love you to the bottom of my heart, sir. I would like to end this with our patent pledge. हाथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे, साथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Thank you so much, sir.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है जय गुप्ता। मैं हूँ अजमेर राजस्थान से। ये एक फीडबैक वीडियो है अंशुल सर के लिए। मैंने उनसे अकाउंट्स पढ़ा है एकाग्रता बैच में और कॉस्टिंग मंजिल बैच से। मैं कहना चाहता हूँ उन्होंने इस दोनों ही बैच में हमें बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाया है। अपनी क्लास बुक की मदद से उन्होंने हमको ICI के सारे रिसोर्सेज कवर करवाए हैं। उनका जो AAA इंडेक्स है और जो बाकी रिवीजन प्लानर है वो हमें बहुत हेल्प करेंगे रिवीजन करने में जब हम खुद सेल्फ स्टडी करने बैठेंगे। और वो उन्होंने हमारे बहुत सारे मेंटरशिप सेशंस भी लिए हैं जिससे हमें सेल्फ प्लानिंग करने में बहुत हेल्प होगी। उनके क्लास में जो एग्जांपल्स होते हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं। हम स्टडीज़ को एंजॉय कर पाते हैं और वो बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्ट भी करते हैं ताकि बच्चे मोटिवेटेड रहें। और लास्ट में मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ कि हाथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे, साथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
हे गाइस, माई सेल्फ अथर्व माने और मैं पुणे महाराष्ट्र से हूँ। मैंने CA इंटरमीडिएट May 23 ग्रुप 1 की स्टडीज द अंशुल अग्रवाल सर और उनके टीम से की है। उनका स्टडी अप्रोच, स्टडी स्ट्रेटजीज और प्लानिंग वो बहुत यूनिक है। उन्होंने जो हमारे साथ AAA क्लास बुक शेयर किया है फॉर अकाउंट्स एंड कॉस्टिंग इज वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड कवर्ड ऑल द सोर्स ऑफ ICI। उन्होंने जो मेंटरशिप सेशंस लिए हैं हमारे लिए वो बहुत मोटिवेट रखते हैं। उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस है, प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस, वो हमारे साथ शेयर किया है जो हमें हमारे जर्नी के लिए बहुत काम आएगा। उनकी जो बाहुबली टीम है जो फाउंडेशन और इंटर में पढ़ाती है इज वेरी गुड एंड आई वुड एंड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन बाय सेइंग दिस वर्ड्स: पेशेंस, ट्रस्ट एंड सेल्फ रिलायंस। थैंक यू।
Hi guys, my name is Ayushi Shekhawat. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I studied cost and accountancy with CACS Anshul Agarwal sir. The journey of 300 hours with you sir, it's amazing, thrilled and next level. We learn a lot during this journey. We learn self-reliance, patience, trust and other things also. And to the world you might be a teacher or a CACS, but for me you are everything. You are there in every situation, in every part of my life. Whenever I need you, you always there with me. Thank you so much sir, thank you so much. At the end, आपका जो हमारा एक पंच लाइन है ना, हाथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे, साथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे, उसको और आगे लेके जाएंगे और ग्रुप 2 की प्रिपरेशन बहुत धमाकेदार करेंगे। Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Samyak Setia from Nagpur and I'm here to thank the one and only CACS Anshul Agarwal. He commenced our CA Intermediate May 23 journey with Ekagrata and Manzil batch respectively from 25th of August. In the Ekagrata batch, he taught us accounting and then in the Manzil batch, he taught us costing. Our batch was lucky enough to be able to learn not only one but 2 subjects from him. His classes not only contain bookish knowledge but rather a more conceptual understanding of the subject and a more practical view of the subject, which makes subjects so interesting for the students that it ends up becoming the strongest point of the subject. He is not only an educator to us, he is more like a motivator, a guider, and more importantly, he has been an elder brother. We never felt like he's our sir. It has always felt like he's our bhaiya. He has guided us time by time by giving us, by taking mentorship sessions, giving us suggestions where we can improve, and lot of insights. Ending this with his favorite line and our most influential line: "हाथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे, साथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे."
Ayush, I am from Hyderabad. I have studied costing and accounting from Anshul sir. It was great to study from him. One of the best thing is the AAA class book, which contains all the questions from RTP, MTP, PYQ and study material. And sir also gave us many revision trackers and the sheets, strategy sheets. And again, sir also provided us with the AAA index, which help us to fetch all the questions and track all the questions without fumbling and wasting a lot of time. And sir also supported us in the costing. At beginning it was seeming a bit difficult, but as sir told, C for costing, C for common sense. And at last I would like to say, पढ़ते रहो, सीखते रहो, आगे बढ़ते रहो, क्योंकि पढ़ना मन तो सीखना मन, और सीखना मन तो आगे बढ़ना मन.
Hello, I am Adriyar and I am from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. I've been studying accounting and cost and management accounting from Anshul Agrawal sir. It has been a great journey studying with him. While studying with him, it doesn't feel like a teacher and a student relationship. In fact, it feels like we are a group of friends who's just doing self-study. Yeah, literally. And the second thing I would like to quote is the AAA class book. The AAA class book consists of RTP, PYQ, IPCC questions and the study material questions as well. The sequencing of the questions is also remarkable. And the way he teaches is just amazing. And जाते जाते बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि पढ़ते रहो, सीखते रहो और आगे बढ़ते रहो, क्योंकि पढ़ना बंद तो सीखना बंद, और सीखना बंद तो आगे बढ़ना बंद.
Hey guys, I'm Dhanashri Gore from Pune. I've studied CA Intermediate Group 1 Costing and Accounting from the CACS Anshul Agrawal sir. Anshul sir has taught us many things, whether related to studies or not. He has provided us with amazing things like AAA Index, AAA class book of both the subjects, revision trackers, lecture trackers and many more things. He teaches every single thing in such a detailed manner that we are always mentally satisfied. And we don't worry about this subject because Anshul sir is there for us always. And thank you so much sir for this wonderful batch. And जाने से पहले हम उनकी सिर्फ इतना पढ़ते रहिए, सीखते रहिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए, क्योंकि पढ़ना बंद तो सीखना बंद, और सीखना बंद तो आगे बढ़ना बंद. थैंक यू.
Hi everyone, I am Siddhi Podkhan from Pune, Maharashtra. I studied accounting and costing from Anshul sir. His teaching style is very unique, which do not include just bookish knowledge but as well as practical knowledge, live examples and too much fun. He covers every concept in very detailed and deep manner. Like in investment accounting, he has shown live trading in class. In costing also, he always used to make us virtual industry visits. He is so much organized, and that he taught us to through his lecture trackers, revision trackers, planning and his notes. Thank you so much sir for always being with us and for making such difficult subjects easy and interesting. And as he always said, हाथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे, साथ नहीं